Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you this amazing hair treatment that will help you grow longer, thick and healthier hair. So this is my hair after some months of using natural ingredients on my hair. I've had my own share of hair loss and I'm using natural ingredients to recover my hair, so I'm sharing it with you guys. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Sophia and I make DIY hair and beauty videos just like this one, so please kindly go and click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. So without wasting time guys, I'm going to start right away and I'm going to be using hibiscus flower as my first ingredient for this hair treatment. Hibiscus is very amazing. It is good for natural hair. When you use it on your hair, it helps to increase your hair health. It also helps to keep your hair shiny and help you fight against dandruff and other scalp issues. And it also helps to increase your blood circulation to the scalp, and it helps you to grow your hair by increasing hair growth. So I'm going to be adding hibiscus directly into my jar, and the next ingredient that I'm going to be using for this hair treatment is Star Anise. Star Anise is also great for natural hair growth. It also helps to strengthen your hair. It also helps to increase blood circulation and also to strengthen your hair follicles and reduce breakage. So I'll be adding Star Anise. I didn't measure before. I used 40 grams of hibiscus flower and about 35 grams of Star Anise for this treatment. So after that, I went ahead to add some hot water in my jar, and then I closed up my jar, and I'm going to be storing this container in a cool and dark place overnight. So this is the next day. I brought it out. The ingredients are infused into the water. As you can see, it is very dark. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to strain out the water because it is the water that we're going to be using for the hair treatment. So I've strained out the water. Here I have my water here. As you can see, it is looking super nutrient filled. I'm going to be adding a few essential oil to boost and increase the nutrients in this hair treatment. And the first one here is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is great for hair growth. This will help you to resolve any scalp issue that you have and also to increase and give it a nice smell. So the next essential oil is rosemary. Rosemary is amazing for hair growth. It helps you to increase hair growth and also to keep your hair from breaking out. That's the second essential oil. And the third one is cinnamon. Cinnamon is amazingly great also for natural hair growth. It also helps you to keep your hair from damaging, and it also helps to increase hair growth. So I added 5 drops of each of the essential oil. This is the fourth one, which is tea tree, and I'm going to be adding 5 drops also of this essential oil to it. And tea tree is also great. Tea tree has a tinkling effect which helps to increase hair growth and fight dandruff. So after adding my essential oils, I went ahead to transfer my spray in treatment into my spray bottle, and from this spray bottle I'm going to be using it on my hair. This hair treatment is super great and it is nutrient packed. You should use it 4 to 5 times a week. You can use it every day if you want. It is great. So after putting this in my spray bottle, it is ready for me to use. So this is it on my spray bottle, and I'm going to be spraying it on my hair first. I'm going to go ahead and shake it just to properly mix the essential oil with the spray in water. So after mixing it very well, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a simple way of applying this onto your hair and scalp to get the nutrients that you need. So I'm going to show you guys now how I do this. My hair is on a protective style. I just have some nice cornrow. I made this myself. If you want me to put out a video of how I made this, just leave it on the comment section and I'll do that. So I'm just going to spray this into my scalp, and after spraying it into my scalp, I'm going to massage it to my scalp and hair. This will help to hydrate my hair, keep it hydrated and really nice and treated. This will help to prevent itchy scalp and also to treat my scalp from any scalp issue and also increase my hair growth. So I'll be applying it and massaging it into my hair and scalp, and after doing that, I'm going to go ahead to seal it in using my ginger and rosemary pomade that I made a few days ago. It's on my video. If you want, you can go and watch my previous video of how I made this pomade. It's made from ginger and rosemary. So I'm going to be applying this on my hair also. This is going to help me to seal in the moisture and the treatment that I just applied. So I'll simply just apply this on my hair and then I'll massage it into my hair and scalp. And after doing that, I'm good to go. So guys, this is my hair after doing it. It's looking super shiny, and this will keep my hair treated and moisturized for the next day or for the next 2 days if I want. So thank you guys for watching this video today. Talk to you on my next video. Bye bye.